the battlefield has entered a new era. Across the front lines, first-person view drones have become one of the most decisive weapons in modern warfare. Cheap, fast, and highly maneuverable. These drones are reshaping how both Ukraine and Russia fight every day. Today, new footage highlights the growing intensity of this drone war. Recent reports indicate that both sides continue expanding their FPV drone capabilities while increasing production and deploying new tactics across multiple sectors of the front. FPV systems are now used for reconnaissance, precision strikes, logistics disruption, and counter-drone missions. Operators can identify targets within seconds before directing explosive-equipped drones with remarkable precision. Every movement on the battlefield is now under constant observation. Modern FPV drones have dramatically changed battlefield tactics. Instead of relying solely on artillery, units increasingly use small drones to engage vehicles, fortify positions, and supply routes. Both Russia and Ukraine continue adapting with electronic warfare, camouflage, and fiber optic drones designed to resist jamming. Every mission is a contest between detection, speed, and precision. Both militaries continue investing heavily in drone production and innovation. Ukraine has highlighted expanded domestic drone development, including FPV reconnaissance, interceptor, and long-range strike systems, while Russia continues expanding dedicated unmanned forces and counter-drone measures. The result is an increasingly technology-driven battlefield, where inexpensive drones influence tactical decisions every day. Military analysts increasingly describe drones as one of the defining technologies of this conflict. Both armies constantly modify tactics to reduce exposure while improving surveillance and strike capabilities. The pace of innovation continues to accelerate as each side responds to the other's latest developments. The FPV drone war continues to evolve every single day. As technology advances, the battlefield keeps changing faster than ever before. Stay with us for more verified frontline updates, analysis, and the latest developments in modern drone warfare.